Hi guys, Tom here. Working on my Boom Vader motorcycle, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to talk about one of those frequently asked questions you read about these bikes online. The question is, what's that clicking noise? Well, the simple answer is, it's probably your chain. So I had this clicking noise occur to me twice, and I'll tell you what I did each time. First time, bike's brand new, riding it around, noticed the clicking noise coming from the engine when I was accelerating, shifting, or riding downhill. What I found was the chain tension was off. There was so much slop that the bottom section was striking the inside of the front sprocket guard. And when I got back, I tensioned it up properly, clicking noise disappeared. Later, the clicking noise returned, and that was after I upgraded the front sprocket. I went to a larger front sprocket, so now the chain is actually further outside, taking up more space inside the front sprocket guard, and as a result, the chain wasn't clearing the bottom section of the metal. So you're getting, once again, a clicking sound. What I did was, I took the guard off, I looked where the scratches were from the chain links, and I cut out a section of the chain guard. Now my chain clears properly and the clicking noise is gone. That took care of it the second time. Just a quick video. If you have any questions or want to just talk about bikes, or you're an owner of one of these little bikes and just want to leave a comment, please do so below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.